In this video, I'm going to show you what I got from EMDR Kit in 2024. EMDR Kit has brand new tappers or buzzers, or the way they call it in EMDR Kit, pulsators. So let's take a look at what it looks like. So here's what I got from EMDR Kit. Got a little invoice. I got a user's manual that includes the new EMDR Kit lightbar that came out last year and the brand new pulsators. So let me unbox it. I unboxed the main box, but I actually didn't open it. So let's see what I got. This is a brand new charger that comes with, I am guessing, this to connect to power. And let me show you the brand new pulsators. So this is what they look like. Oh, and they're flashing already. Okay, EMDR Kit, so a brand new design. And as you can see, they fit right in here. Okay, so a couple of things. So first of all, let me show you old versus new. This is the old EMDR pulsator. This is the new one. The look is a little different, but another thing that you might want to notice about the difference is the sound. So I'm going to turn it on and I'm going to show you what it looks like on the iPad in a second. They're both activated through the iPad, but just notice the sound of this. So these are the old ones and they're pretty loud. And the design, it's not only that it's designed as a triangle, they had like just a little light here. And let me show you as a comparison the new one. And these are the new ones. See that the design is different, more modern, but they're also more quiet. So the new pulsators, like the old ones, are operated through an iOS device. I used my iPad to use them. And so let's look at the iPad and what it looks like. Okay, so I am in front of my iPad now. I have these here and I just hit start and they go off. Now I can change the color. So here I picked blue. So they're both buzzing in blue or red. Looks more orange on the video, but trust me, it's red. Or random. And one last thing to show you, I have the light tube from EMDR Kit, also known as lightbar, and these sync with the light tube. So when I start it, you can see that they match. Now I match the color. You can pick random. You can pick different color for the pulsators and different color for the light tube, whatever fits you and your client. I hope this video helps. These are the new pulsators from EMDR Kit. I like them a lot.